So I promised to show you the result of the shoe for my Osmo Pocket. So here is the Osmo Pocket. Here's the shoe. So it fits just, yeah, like perfectly inside. So we can twist and turn it without it falling out. And now if I want to utilize this shoe, then we can just switch this one out. Then we have our shoe for the Osmo Pocket, which we now can actually use as a desktop stand as well. And we can switch back to the original mount like this. Easy peasy. There you go. Now, fits perfectly. Good result for functional, practical 3D printing and 3D modeling. This is great. I'm gonna switch on my Osmo and start recording. Okay guys, see you soon.